Hello everybody, today is boat joke time. So let's go float some jokes. What kind of a discount do you get at a boat store? A 2-for-1 sale.
What kind of veggies are allowed on boats? Leeks!
What was the name of the boat filled with athletes? A sportsmanship.
How do you get a boat feeling better? Give it a little vitamin C.
What was the name of the ophthalmologist who boarded the boat? A sea captain.
What is the name of the ship filled with rocks? A hard ship.
Where do zombies go sailing? The Dead Sea.
What do sailors use to clean their clothes? Tide.
Why did the captain jump into the sea? To test the waters.
What movie do captains and crew like to watch? The Codfather.
Well, thanks for watching my boat joke video. Have a great day, everybody. Hey, thanks for watching my video. I hope you come back and watch another one, eh? Well, see you later.